Top e-commerce companies to watch in 2022. 1. Amazon. Amazon is a true leader in e-commerce in the US and sets standards for other e-commerce businesses. The company effectively utilizes AI through its personalized product recommendations and Alexa-enabled voice shopping. Amazon claims that Alexa gives the platform users the opportunity to purchase goods by directing the voice assistant instead of touching the screen. 2. eBay. eBay is a popular e-commerce company. It implements AI to enhance search, provide personalized recommendations, help sellers choose optimal prices for their goods, and organize marketing campaigns. The company also implements natural language processing to break language barriers between buyers and sellers. 3. Walmart. Walmart is a multinational retail corporation. Its goal has been to provide customers with low, everyday prices. Walmart uses robots for various tasks like washing the floor, checking shelf stock, and scanning price lists for errors. The corporation recently launched its text-to-shop function based on conversational AI, where online customers only need to text the bot about specific goods they want to purchase. 4. Postscript. Postscript is a company that helps other e-commerce firms establish successful communication with their customers via SMS. The company works with clients from various industries, including beauty and cosmetics, food and beverage, and much more. Postscript also provides many resources that help teach customers more about the specifics of SMS marketing. 5. Function of Beauty. Function of Beauty offers products focused on hair, body, and skincare. The company's website has a set of quizzes related to hair, skin, and body care that users can take to find out the right care for themselves. 6. VuStorefront. VuStorefront is creating front-end decisions that will help the company's customers enhance their performance and conversation. VuStorefront suggests its customers from the e-commerce industry boost their site performance and improve customer shopping experience with the help of such tools as JavaScript Stack and PWA. 7. ModMod. ModMod is a sexual wellness startup. The company's product line includes various goods related to sex and body care, such as massage candles, body oil, libido, massagers, condoms, and much more. Forbes mentioned that the company is, quote, redefining the sex essentials industry for modern consumers. ModMod's website fully supports the company's aims, goals, and visions. Its front-end decision includes all the necessary components, from creativity to simplicity and elegance. 8. Goldbelly. Goldbelly is a great online marketplace for foods curated from various restaurants, delis, and bakeries and shipped across 50 states of the US. Goldbelly uses social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to attract new customers. However, the customer boom happened in 2020 when the pandemic lockdowns brought, quote, food nostalgia. 9. Underground Cellar. Underground Cellar suggests many featured wine offers, discounts, and gifts. This online marketplace has a well-developed loyalty program that allows customers to get special offers and upgrade their wine bottles by bringing in their friends, participating in various discussions among users, and purchasing wine. 10. Lumify. Lumify is a great platform providing many benefits to healthcare professionals. Lumify gives healthcare professionals the opportunity to buy their gear with discounts and giveaways, trade advice, look for and find great job opportunities, and perform many activities that make the professional life much easier. Thank you for watching.